welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix is Gracie. And Gracie is saying this. She's talking about, what happened between her and 13. She's saying that she was surprised when 13 came out and spoke of her, and that she thinks or thought that from what 13 did at the time, way back, it meant that 13 had her up in her heart. And she said she came out and she wasn't speaking of 13 at that time when she came out and spoke about another lady, but 13 picked it up. So, guys, you have to go catch the video to hear what she has to say about this situation. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies that are out there and celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this, your beautiful year. And for all my other lovelies and supporters, my friends, my family, my well-wishers, my subscribers, whoever you may call me, have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I wish for you today nothing but prosperity and open doors, a life that is filled with joy and happiness, one that is filled with friends around you that will understand you and that will be there for you at your every step in life. Now, we should ensure also that when we are opening up, we know who to open up to. And sometimes we are able to help each other out, and it's just for a matter of time because things and time changes, and we never know when they will. Remember, some people come into our lives for a season. Some come in our lives for a reason. And some people come in our lives to teach us a lesson so that we may learn and not do the same thing over and over and over again. But sometimes we tend not to learn from those lessons, and so we repeat the cycle. So it's for us to get a grip of ourselves and to understand that there's sometimes people that we're holding on to for dear life that they have to go, and they won't be there for a lifetime, but they're there just like the leaves. They will fall away. Remember, the only thing on the tree that really stands steady would be the roots, because it is what hold the tree together. When the leaves, when it is fall, all the leaves are going to fall off. Therefore, the people are not for you are going to fall away from you. The branches will also break whenever there's a struggle. Because remember, when the wind blows and there's a force between those branches, sometimes they break away. So it depends on your friendship and how strong it is. If it's not strong to push against the wind, then it will not last. If it's for a season, it's going to stay until it's time to fall. It will fall. But the root will forever be there to hold the tree together. So that's why it's advised to get people around you that are like roots of a tree. Because even when the tree falls, sometimes the root is still holding on for dear life in the ground. Have yourselves a beautiful day and be wise.
But you know 13. You surprised me when you did do it. Cause my aunt no me I say you did have me up long time. Nachi come to you, if I true Nachi attack or a lie Nachi attack, you run came Nachi pan him platform because Gracie are the target for bring down. So you bring Nachi over there. For Nachi tell lie pan me too. You know you're powerful when all the enemy them have to recruit one another for come for you. I saw me know me powerful out here on social media world. Me not ask you know. When them have to recruit, everybody have to then can't come one, them have to come in a bungle. Them have to come in with an army. I saw me know me powerful and effective when me talk out here. You know, see them come, when them go for nobody else, we go 1-1. But when them come for Gracie, them have to gang up. And when them gang up, me not run from none of them. All them are wicked out here. All of them out here the same thing. None not different and better. Since this week, me have a voice note. Somebody call me here sitting. I mean, not defend nobody else out here because one of my drunk against me. One of my dead dog and against me out here. Then can't come publicly say kind of one the war between me and them, but the drunk them not like me behind closed door. The dead dog, you know. I not have to deal with none of them out there because I not live off none of the dirty drunk out there. And now I come out here come use the platform and defend no dead dog again. Anything when I get to the dead dog, I'm doing make them rip on the nastiness out here. The dead dog. Anybody can fit weird in a drunk row, no? When you can't talk it publicly on the platform, I better you not do it. Come and speak earlier while I'm a dirty drunk all the time. Look how me Gracie as bad as me be speak earlier, you know. And I'm behind closed door now when I never have my head for me do no. You personally want me advice note from. What me do? I try me not want problem out here. People tell me say me hard. Them say Gracie me know your head hot. Don't do it. And I want you to burn you. And it did burn me for true. Me never yet curse you yet. Never. And when other people are cursing me say me nah do it. You know dead dog. Jankro. I call me name out on a thinking mouth. Now I look with people if I stay by myself and no dead dog. If a person want me hear it, God know me I tell the person I lie, I tell nation that's not good to go so. Breed of fake people who will kill people and then look. I don't like me staying on the lane. I'm staying for me. I'm good by my one. I years me out here, I mean not everybody cup of tea. And that not say my tea I go waste. Not because me not your cup, it not go to waste. One thing about this cup of tea, it's not going to go to waste. You know, like me find somebody else will like and watch. I breed a fake. I mean, I know why you fake with my fan. You don't have to fake with me, no like just not like me. If me not like you, you gonna know, you know. A teacher can never tell a lie. So she come over here when she say, when she look for me and the eye, when she see me look down when me give her me see the comment. If you do sit when me not like you, you gonna know because me not gonna play. One thing with a girl like you fake it. Before me and woman I shot the catch up in a year. She tell us that she did go over my comment over my platform and she did comment and me do like me not see it. I submit on. Me know you not fear this with nobody. If you do sit when me not like you, gonna know because me I gonna show it. And when me try hide it, it I gonna show up on my countenance. So me not too in you. I'm too fake out here, man. What I don't forget, man. I don't forget. I mean, I chat about them behind closed door. Anything me have to say about them, I come out here come say it. When you can't real like that? When you can't real like that? So I know every day so I work for clout and not real to nobody. Oh no, you come out here and say no like certain people because you know want. If you say you no like them followers are gonna stop following. Well, if me come from my life and me chat on 34 people like where Gracie said that means 32 people fans me about here. Me don't want people. Me don't run down that. Cause tomorrow me come here come chat sitting over them do and me not like them and go gone. Me no wanna spam like over here. But people like me for me. I fake with nobody for get no like from them people. Stink and bright. Me not fake with none of them out here for get no like from them people nationals. Me I one of the realest one out here. That's why I don't care. They tell them to hate me, them have to come back again. Cause bad to bad, Gracie talk the truth. If she don't like it, she go talk. If a man don't shop the sitting tomorrow, me I come back and say it. If he followers then want vex them, I forgot rot it, cuff vex and go on where them a go. But Gracie I go talk. And who don't like me for that. For that reason they don't like me, nationals. And 13 come here, me not done with you yet. You should never go over there. You go over there to bring me down. And Gracie prosper in the front of all I know what try bring me down over the years. It might never happen same time, but we gotta work it out, yeah. 13 and a little bit of lie you go over there go tell pa me. I mean mention nothing about good. You know what you say on the live? So me say as bad as Gracie be, she do something and me see she never come, but me now go get that involved. And there's other things that I've done for you and I never get it involved. And you think Gracie remember? Remember. Me no must remember what me do for you. And me coulda take and tell you. You think me have dementia when me do something for somebody me no remember? Me remember good. All of what me do for you. But we not talk about what me do for you now. Maybe you that take it tell me. Of course, me say Hungry Belly 13. Me go say that again, Hungry Belly 13. You say me rob you. You say man over there so rob you now. I don't know what to believe. Because when you say me rob you, me nay rob you. Me nay rob you. When you say me Gracie rob you, me nay rob you. Me never rob you yet. And you come on, come tell woman our shop say, me vex. Because I wanted the money to come to my name. And if the woman of a shop that was honest enough and didn't want to get involved in an argument, probably I don't even say I want to get involved in a mix-up. And I tell you, say, Gracie tell him already, say, don't send him money for your name. Because next thing I hear, say, me and her work together. Ask her if I never tell her. Same time I tell her. So the money could never come to my name, 13. You'd have to find another name, send it to. Gracie was more interested in you getting the money for you for what you wanted it to do. Gracie was interested in being the friend that she is always to you. Being a genuine, a loyal friend she's always to you. When me catch up, you notice I never said nothing bad about you yet. 13, when me catch up, you know much people send things coming on my phone. You circulate one picture with one woman, you don't know the woman, me never see the woman's face. One big belly woman with one man head upon the woman belly. And you circulate the picture. I say Gracie and dirty junkyard. 13 member good, you're wicked. You send different nation as the picture. And when argument bust out, bam, bam, bam. They say Gracie has such Penny Kesha did wicked. And you give me all the reason for classy and tell her things I'm never do it. 13, you send the picture to different people. Monday. And you know call me. And you say, Gracie, boy, if if the mad one never come out, come play the video and say you and the man meet for true, me that believe. And when the mad one did believe, when the mad that's no matter what, me and the madman have, me not gonna allow no for disrespect the mad one over here. Because when everybody has turned them back as a nation, as we have to remember kindness. And that always beat me. We have to remember kindness. When everybody else a whap we up out here, and him go dig up the video there, man come and say, no man, I lie, him a tell upon the girl. See the video, yeah? I lie, never meet girl yet. The mad one. The mad one. That's why sometimes I say the mad one, of course, me say making course. Making mad one stay right there and cause me not no time for mad people. That's the only mad one me will accept. Because when we need him, I'm alone in our little corner. When nothing reject me, I say, go ahead, dirty Gracie. And then it full up over there. And I full up him head. Cuss Gracie. And him say, him not cuss me. Him not cuss me. Somebody not program me. For cuss him neither. Him not program me. Because when all I used to meet up over there and greet up and cling up over there, we used to say cuss Gracie. And what pretty screening get, and it was just a cuss Gracie, and him never knew the bait. Him never knew me. 13 years my friend. And you never have the loyalty to me, not time. Him a shape me, I give him that. Me give him that. Remember 13 years my friend. You was my friend. And you circulate the picture. And you know and you answer me and this dirty girl in the meet. Me and this dirty nasty junkie in the meet. And you take picture. Not my face. Nobody can see the face. All in the belly. And one man head upon the belly. So if I mean why am I black out my face fair show. And 13 you circulate the picture with the man and tell everybody it's Gracie and dirty junkyard. And meanwhile you circulate your car and tell me say you not believe. But at the same time you spread the rumors by me. 13 and wall if you do me now. I just talk, me not talk, but I wall if you do me. Yo, do me wall if. And so Gracie just a forgiving heart to just push and go through, but she just stay far from people. But you do me enough. Of course, Shireen, the madman spit justice. Beat a man and give him right. The madman spit justice. I want them do him out here too, you know. Because the dirty one down there, so down at Portland. She should have washed the water when washing dirty foot in and drink it. All when she used to keep her, him used to give her shows. Him is a part of her success, and him push her. And him push she. And give her show and content, and even screen record and screenshot things and send go give her. And she ungrateful. But them is another story. But it's just the truth. She's very ungrateful. But gratitude is a mouse. The mad one. When everybody has turned them back nationals and what would appear the mad people and for cuss with. The mad people say not cuss with. The mad one. Let me tell you something, nation. That's one thing with we nations. We're gonna always be grateful. You hear? And when people are drop off our weight and I used to help we not forget them. Some people as soon as they think they reach up, they forget who they are. No, remember they stone them. When you not step on for go up, because when you come back down, you have to pass them the stone that grown again. Some remember the mad one. And when he curse me, me not afraid for the mad one. Because him upon them and shit, them they can't tame. Beat a man and give me. Gracie not talk, I will if you 13. I shock when I see the person say you send them a picture. And tell the nation and say, how much say, dirty junkyard pay Uber money from New York. For me go Philly. Go look for him. Dirty junkyard pay money. For me go New York. Left from New York go Philly. Go look for him. So dirty junkyard could have pay Uber for me and me have him receipt where he live and take so long to put it out. You know, see how long after when him go out with him say, make somebody send me with address and where he work. Me that somebody when me work on the yard, now me don't need had that. I don't wait for the drunk if he come here, see man. I know me not talk with the behind him. But the dead dog, if you know a good female stay in the lane. The old dead dog there. And you see, you chat me 13. You chat me. You could have killed me. You plot me for dead. Every day you and your mouth Gracie money. At the same time you kill me, you beg me. I know how you do it. I know God did expose all I know what you. The dead dog, what I say in I care, I not look upon him as I said before. He will always be my enemy and he will always be my enemy. He never will like me and me will never like him. Today with elderly Mac him talk about thumbs up to Gracie, hot stuff. I'm telling him, no give me no hot stuff. I mean I have nothing to do with him. I run him back. Me not easily friend. Not here. I run him same I come from. Anybody out here come for me and I can't angle him for myself on my platform. I not drive with nobody, I not co-host with nobody. If you come bungle up and I can manage you one by one, I take you all I want to do. Because I'm not frightened for none of you. I not bungle up with nobody, not drive force with nobody. No one a friend out here. You shouldn't like the life. I'm begging some pretty screaming in the morning here, please. 13 are wicked. They should have said, well, if I time to see me come out here and my ball, I said 13 wicked. I want to see when I say Gracie. I don't come from me to no week. And well, if I ball I want, I see me ball in front of over the girl at 13. Penny Catcher, you was my friend. But if she chanting in her car, she couldn't twist you and turn you and tell you what she said about me.